Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. The Lego Friends Surfer Beach Fun set. Now this is new for June 2022, 288 pieces, $45 here in Australia. But you can easily pick it up on a sale because there's lots of toy sales for $31. Great looking set, and I bought it especially for the mini doll Koa because I really like the look of him. Once again for this box we need to use our thumbs to open it up. Oh, that one was quite easy to do. Okay, let's take a peek. 2 instruction booklets here. Oh, and we get this plastic windsurfer sail. I like that. A nice sticker sheet. Oh, I like those things for sale there. Very nice. I like these. They're very nice. And how many packets? We get 3 in here. Alrighty, let's build. Packet 1, we get the surfboard and Koa's torso. At the moment, he's exclusive to this set. He's got a little shark tooth pendant there, a beautiful coral floral top because, you know, he's at the beach. Love the hair. And he's got little freckles on his face. Love that tussled hairpiece. And we get little Mya. And this is exclusive to this set also at the moment. Love the little crab on there. We've got to pop her life jacket on. There's a cute little smiling face and piggy tails. They look so cute. Let's start with the unicorn pool floatie. As soon as I saw this, I went, oh my goodness, this is so cute and colourful. And I wish I could have one of these for my swimming pool. Just doing a pink little tail here, and now starting on the head. And I've got to get these eyes right. Oh, this one's a bit wonky. That's all right, can look like he's winking. Winking little unicorn. Let's pop you on. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Koa's going on and Mya's on too. Enjoy! Now here's the plastic windsurfer sail. And I've got to pop it on the right way, and sometimes these things don't stay on, I've found, so you've got to be a little bit patient. Let's pop it in on the board, and Koa's going to sail off. Well, he's going to try to sail off. Hang on, what's going on? This thing's really wobbly. Oh no, the wind's going to take you away very slowly. Okay, packet 2. Oh, love that we get a packet of sea creatures. So starting on the main build, this is the surfer school, or Koa's little surfer school. And I'll just keep building here for you. Here's a little blackboard to show you how to windsurf and read the wind chart, I guess. I'll continue building. Oh, what have we got here? Little table and coffee mug for Koa. That's part of the outdoor shower. And he is selling some little trinkets and sunscreen there. And this is part of the shower. So we got a little shampoo, a brush. That goes there in the corner. Now just building up the part for the shower also. Every shower needs a shower head, so I'll pop that on there. Looking nice. Okay, we need a palm tree also with only 1 leaf on it. It's a bit sad looking, but that's all right. I'll keep building it up here. This here's the little front counter with the cash register, and what is a icy pole doing on the table there? And I'm confusing myself, I put it around the wrong way. They need a fridge or freezer for the icy pole. Popping some stools there because you need to learn about the wind first before you're allowed to sail. And I'll stop talking now and just continue building. I get a bit carried away, sorry. I just like explaining what I'm doing. So just doing the roof part here. And we've got a little shell to put on there. Oh, some decorations. and the roof parts here with the little flowers on there. It's like a thatched roof. There's the little unicorn sign to buy an icy pole and learn to windsurf too. Love those little seahorses. Let's pop that on there. Oh wow. Okay, we need a little stand here because it's going to hold some fruit. So after a long day at the beach, you can buy some fruit. And that goes over here. And just doing some more decorations. These little hooks here are for the flippers and the little life jacket and the snorkel. I'll hook that on there. Now we need the yummy, juicy, refreshing fruit and the surfer thing. Oh, hang on, I've got to pop that on there. There's the flimsy windsurfer going on. Mya's floated along on the unicorn, and there's Koa. On to bag 3 and we get a little turtle. Stephanie's wearing a skirt and it looks like a wetsuit type top with a little whistle there because she is going to be a lifeguard also. Not much printing on the back, and she needs to hold on to her walkie-talkie, but in the instructions they want it around this way. How's she going to speak into that? Time to build her lifeguard post. Stephanie will be up high so she can see all the waves and the water and the beach and let everyone know to swim between the flags. Every lifesaver needs a lifesaver, so here's the lifesaver ring on there. We got some binoculars so we can see far away, and the different coloured flags to let everyone know if you can go in the water. And now this part here is just a little beach with a little towel there, and Mya has been very busy and she built a big turtle out of sand, so that's what I was building there. Here's the turtle's eyes. Wow, she's very talented, and the real turtle is sitting on the sand turtle. Another palm tree with the one leaf. Won't give much shade, but you know, it's still nice. And now I just need to do some water here. Need to add some waves that are hitting the shoreline and some little fish and sea creatures. And here it is. Got to put everything together now. Koa is teaching Mya and Stephanie all about the wind direction. Stephanie's learning to windsurf while Mya and Koa are splashing around in the waves. Stephanie's on the beach towel while Mya is making her sandcastle turtle. Stephanie and Mya are now enjoying some yummy, juicy fruit. The Surfer Beach Fun set. Gorgeous, lots of colour. It was great fun to build. I love the little surfer school, and I really love Koa. Like, he is a great looking mini doll. The little pool floatie, everything is fantastic about this set. Just get it when it's on special. I hope you enjoyed this video. So everyone, get your bricks out.